We are working on the third skill, entering and editing basic data in worksheet. So in this session, we will be doing delete and clear a cell's contents, the fourth skill task. Before we move to Excel sheet to actually perform the task, a few things to note. And if something is to be erased within the cell, you can click on the cell and press delete from your keyboard and contents will be erased. And if you need to erase the content of more than one cell, select all the cells and then press delete. All the content will be deleted from each cell that has been selected. And pressing delete removes actually the contents of the cell but not the formatting. We will see this while doing our task in Excel. So let's now move to Excel and perform the task. For this session, you need a blank workbook. Please open it. And in the cell A1, insert 1, press enter. Then 2, enter. 3, enter. 4, enter. We have inserted 4 values in 4 rows in column A. Now highlight these cells 1, 2, 4, and you can do this through your mouse as well as your keyboard. With the mouse you can click on the first cell of the range, and while keeping the left mouse button pressed, go down and select up to the cell which you need to select. So this way you have highlighted these 4 cells. The other way is to go to cell A1 and then press the shift key on your keyboard and then use arrow keys to select the other cells. I have pressed the shift key now and use the down key to select these 4 cells. So these 4 cells are highlighted. Now to remove the content, press delete on your keyboard and the content is removed. You can undo this command through your quick access toolbar. If you click on this undo button, values are back. Click B5, cell B5, and you will press a currency entry here, $275,000, and then press enter. So we have inserted a currency entry in cell B5. Click on cell B5 and press delete to remove the content. And as I said earlier that with the delete button you actually remove the content. You erase the content of the cell but not the formatting. So let's go back to B5 and insert a number. So you can see that we haven't added any $sign or any other currency sign here. We've only added a number 225000, and when I press enter, this entry is converted to a currency entry because previously we used this cell for a currency entry, and the cell, when you enter a value in a cell, 2 things are stored. One is the formatting and the other is the content. If you press delete, the content is deleted but not the formatting. You can delete or erase the formatting of the cell as well. If I click on this B5 and then I go to this home tab, and in the home tab in the editing group you see this option clear. Click on this small triangle. So you have different options available here, and if you select clear formats, you will see that the number will be converted to only original number that we have entered without a $sign. So clear formats, and while I've cleared the format, the cell is no longer a currency entry cell. So you can close this workbook without saving and leave Excel open for your next exercise.